Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the KAERCHER 1.783 220.0 BR 30-4 Seafloor Scrubber Dryer. This compact powerhouse is as easy to maneuver as an upright vacuum cleaner, perfect for those tight spaces. With a brush speed of about 1,500 revolutions per minute, it delivers 10 times the cleaning pressure of manual methods. No more hassle. This machine vacuums in both directions, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The two-stage deep cleaning feature lets you raise the squeegee lips for extra precision. Need to change brushes? No tools required. With a clean water tank that's easy to remove and fill, you'll be back to cleaning in no time. Its large, robust wheels make transport a breeze, on flat surfaces or stairs. Whether you're in a small shop, restaurant, or supermarket, the Kärcher BR 34 Seafloor Scrubber Dryer is your ultimate cleaning companion, designed for spaces from 20 to 200 square meters. Get ready for a cleaner tomorrow.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.